Everything we know has an expiration date. Knowledge too has it. It's changing at a very fast pace. The knowledge that generations accepted as truth turned out to be false. The man who graduates today and stops learning tomorrow is uneducated the day after. Therefore, we need to embrace lifelong learning. Now, the question is, where to find the relevant information in order to update yourself in this knowledge blast? There are numerous answers for one question, a mix of relevant, irrelevant, and distracting information. This has generated the requirement of a consolidated platform wherein all the relevant knowledge is available in a systematic manner. All these issues have led to the origin of LifeSkillsLearning.in, a one-stop solution to address the diverse learning needs of different categories and levels of learner. With time, it has evolved and taken the shape of what it is today, upholding the mission of providing education to one and all. It is one umbrella that has well-defined course content, whether that's learning related to academic assistance and growth, grooming your persona, developing of employability skill, or interest-based, right from KG to lifelong learning. You will get all the learning content that you need in order to progress from being good to great. Our interactive online learning 1800 plus courses, 85,000 lectures, 1,000 plus ebook and 5,000 plus exams have been composed by professionals from all around the globe, expert in their fields. LifeSkillsLearning.in means freedom to pursue any course at any age from any device you rely on. Keep learning, growing and discovering the best in you through multimedia interactive animation, videos, interactive activity, ebooks, notes, solutions and exams with easy to use learning style, individual mentoring and tutoring. Get convincing examples and explanation for queries. You may plan your studies around your work, family and friends. Start learning at any time of the year. LifeSkillsLearning.in provides you with superior online learning tools. Access our Learning Booster. The detailed report generated post-assessment precisely identifies the weak concept of the learner and accordingly designs a course to strengthen those concepts. Ask experts. Online teacher support for academic query, tutoring, guidance and assistance anytime. Assessment and examination. Take online exams and get clear reports of your progress. Submit your assignments and projects online and get it evaluated and ranked. Think, search and find. Think of any content, course, exam, ebook, sample paper and notes and find it right away. Learning Gap Analyzer gives you the flexibility to review the concepts that you missed on in the previous classes. This will help you in filling those learning gaps and in understanding the concepts in a better way. Peer mentoring. Sharing knowledge leads to better assimilation of knowledge. Become the study buddy of your friend. Share your notes, gift a lecture and learn and grow together. Measure your learning. The course and exam speedometer indicates the pace and depth of learning. As you evolve as a learner, the speedometer needle will race in the clockwise direction and vice versa. Gaming Zone. Play interesting games and rejuvenate yourself. Ours is a full package. There are no hidden extras. We help you become the digital citizen of the 21st century. That's why we ensure that our students constantly excel as a learner. But don't take our word for it. Look at what others have to say. Come on in and unlock your true potential and start a brighter future with us. Give us a call or get the membership coupon from our site